Hey guys, it's Miss Evans here, and I know this week we've been working on addition in math. So today we're going to focus on a strategy we can use to solve word problems and then write to explain our answer. So we learned this method in my class. I don't know if any other classes use this terminology or not. We said let's WAM, and WAM means write about math. Now there are three important things that go into this little strategy, and I abbreviate them with an M, a V, and a W. So mathematically would be the first one. So the first part of this would be writing your number sentence. You're going to read your equation, your problem, and then write your equation. The V stands for visually. This is how you're going to model what you're solving. So you can use pictures, bar graphs, bar models, arrays, a table, a number line, a graph. Anything like that you can use to model. The next thing is W, which is for written. And this is the part where you're writing to explain. So you're going to have your solution, how you solve the problem, math vocabulary, and you're going to check your reasonableness. The way I taught my class to write to explain is the answer is blank. I know this because. Now, I'm going to model a word problem for you using this method here. I know in my video I did on, let's get it over a bit. There we go. On, I think it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, one of those days you watched it, I had you write down the anchor chart. If you want to write down that anchor chart for WAM, you can, to have it in front of you. That might be helpful. So you can rewind it and pause it, and I'll put a picture of that in there, so if you want to copy it down, you can. But now we're going to use the WAM method to write to explain our answer, but also go through the M for the multiplication sentence, or not multiplication, we are working on addition. Can you tell I taught this with multiplication? We're going to use the M for writing our mathematical equation, the V for a visual, and the W for the written. Now, I know all of third grade, oh my gosh, I almost said fourth grade. I don't teach fourth grade anymore. All of third grade learned this method at the beginning of the school year. Our blue to do and our pink to think. So blue to do, that's where we want to highlight or underline or box in those words that are telling us what to do. Now, pink to think, those are the numbers you want to think about. Well, total price makes me think, oh, total, I'm going to need to add. Was we found our multiplication, no, not multiplication, we are adding our addition sentence. So it's $285 plus $235, and we're looking for the total price. Now, we're not going to solve it just yet. We're going to go ahead and move on to our visual piece. So then I like to put a V, standing for visual. So I completed my visual. I used the method that Miss Knuth taught us with regrouping. Explain your reasoning. And then it gives us a sentence stem. It says the answer is blank. I know this because. So I always like to start with that. The equation. And the next, and the last part was the written portion. So here's what I wrote. The answer is $520. I know this because I added 285 and 235, $285 and $235 to get the total spent on the bookshelf and table. The word total, right there, told me I needed to add the numbers together to find my answer. Perfect. And that is how you write to explain in math. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. If your teacher is me, then ask me. Have a great day, y'all. Say hello to everybody.